All right, guys, today is moving day. I am going to be taking the S2000 over to my buddy's shop at Horsepower Depot, and we are going to try to knock this out. Right now, G8 is slightly torn apart. We got some things going on that, but today, that is going on the trailer and going over to my buddy's shop, and hopefully we can knock it out. So let's go. Also, here's everything that we're going to be putting on the car. And hopefully we can get it in and make it to Streetcar Takeover Martin.
What are you doing?
Radiator and intercooler is going to sit at an angle.
So measuring it out, making brackets.
Yeah, there's a simple bracket. Just going to weld this on and mount it. Bam, drill some holes. Radiator's mounted. Intercooler's mounted directly to the frame rails. The angle gives us more room for the turbo. And yeah.
Beautiful.
Horsepower Depot George is knocking it out.
The barn kitty.
Jordan got the hot side mostly up. Wastegates are on, tacked on, but he has all the welds done on the hot side, and it's coming right along. I also got a new water pump because I could not figure out how to get the other one to work. So we just went with the All-Star LS water pump for the car. We also moved the motor plate again because I was stupid about how I mounted it and it was a pain in the butt. And I moved the fuel pressure regulator to the driver's side. The exhaust is going to come through here, out over there, and it will go out the fender. We also are fixing the front end. We did not like how it was, so we just cut it off. And actually found that the steering rack was broken. Let's see. Right here, you can see that it's it was cracked, and then actually the tie rod end is bent. So we're getting that replaced, and that's one of the things that's ordered. Like I said, it's getting there. We got a lot knocked out, and we'll keep working on this for the next few weeks, maybe less, depending on how parts come in and how much we can get done and how much we can work on it. It is coming along good, and getting excited to have it done. So we'll see you next time. We also got some more stuff coming up with the G8 and more work getting done on this.